Tired of your euros stuck on Binance and ready to spend them easily with Revolut? First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your Fiat and Spot wallet by hovering over Wallet in the top right corner. Now, find the euro in your list of assets and click on the Withdraw button beside it. On the withdrawal page, make sure you select Bank Transfer SEPA as your transfer method. SEPA is generally the cheapest and fastest option for euro transfers within Europe. Next, you'll need your Revolut account details. Open your Revolut app, select the euro account, and copy your BIC SWIFT code, and make sure the account holder name matches exactly your Binance account name. Paste these details carefully into the corresponding fields on Binance. Double-check everything is correct to avoid any delays or issues. Binance will then require you to complete their security verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your withdrawal request using your preferred method like Google Authenticator or SMS. After completing the verification, your withdrawal is initiated. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your Revolut account. Congratulations! You've successfully withdrawn euro from Binance to Revolut.